Good morning! So it's a rainy Saturday here in Melbourne and we have a tour today which is the Puffing Billy.
It's a very historical railway dito sa Australia because it's been operating since 1900s. So yung parts noon, yung machine noon, yung engine noon, walang pinalitan, yun pa rin until now ginagamit. And the most special thing about that, it's one of its kind kasi steam engine pa rin siya. Yun yung mga nakikita nating mga train na may usok-usok pa na parang Harry Potter yung dating.
Nung bata ako, nanonood ako ng mga cartoons, tapos may mga laging train yung pinapalabas. Ini-imagine ko kung makakasakay ako. Ngayon, makakasakay na ako sa totoong train.
Nung bunok natin yon, ako iniisip ko agad Harry Potter kasi syempre British inspired siya, yung carriage niya. So kung marinig, kung ganun pa rin yung tunog na, yung chug 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 chug.
Ganun na sa mga cartoons.
Ganun yung mga steam engine. So, let's see kung anong makikita natin later.
Ngayon makakasakay na kami sa totoong tren. Yun lang.
So yun, sama-sama tayo.
Nandito na kami ngayon sa bus. As usual, nabook namin to through Klook. So if you want to have an extra discount, you can use my code, also Lovely Klook.
Remember when you told me that I should take the time, but I can't chase it. I'm dancing on the edge.
Hindi ako kasha.
This time I'm not looking back, babe. You can change me, you can turn me down. I'll be echoes in every place I find. I'll break the mold with the rebels fly. I'm a hurricane, a free-born mind.
No.
I remember when you told me I should settle down. These restless feet won't keep me around. The only place I found where I feel like when the stars were guiding. I'm dancing on the edge again. The wind is calling my name. I'm dancing on the edge again. This time I'm not looking back, babe. You can change me, you can tell me down. I'll leave echoes in every place I find. I'll break the molds with the rebels mind. I'm a hurricane, a free-born mind. A free-born mind. A free-born mind.
Hello! So, papunta kami ngayon dun sa mga baiting boxes. Ito yung Brighton Beach.
Meron tayong 30 minutes walk papunta doon. So, inakita nyo ngayon, ito na mismo yung Brighton Beach. Okay guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Brighton Beach bathing boxes. Nakikita nyo naman. So, fun fact, ito pala ay 90 privately owned bathing boxes. Simula pa ng Victorian era during 1860s. So, of course, medyo modest pa yung mga tao noon. So, dito sila nagbibihes, dito sila kumakain para maligo dito sa Brighton Beach mismo. So, dito na sila nag-i-stock ng kanilang mga beach beds, kanilang mga salbabida and everything na ginagamit nila para makapaligo dito sa Brighton Beach. Ito pa mismo yung boxes from the 1860. Wala pang binabago dito. Maaring yung kulay or yung mga paints na lang, pero ito pa rin yung original boxes from 1860s.
Hello! So we are here right now at the Auckland Street, which is famous for the coffee culture and cakes. Inspired by?
Yeah, European style coffee shops. Of course, katulad sabi ni Lovely, Melbourne ang may pinaka most popular coffee culture dito sa buong mundo.
Tara, try natin yung coffee and cakes here.
May masarap daw dito na mga cheesecake which is 100 years old recipe pa daw. So, tingnan natin kung matatry natin.
Hahanapin namin. magla-lunch muna kami bago kami mag-dessert. Nandito kami ngayon sa Oki to Go. Yung in-order ko, sashimi. Combination of salmon and tuna sashimi.
Sa akin naman, ang in-order ko for my main is yung Japanese curry with pork o yung curry katsu. That's $25. And then, nag-add na lang kami ng rice namin dahil wala siyang kasamang rice at miso soup.
Ito sa Melbourne, sinabi nila, summer. Pero, ang lamig pa rin. Parang winter kaya. Hindi ako prepared.
Actually, paulan-ulan.
Lahat ng dinala kong damit pang summer. So, hindi ako prepared. Namating na yung sashimi ko. Let's try.
Tumitingin ako sa labas kasi napaka-chill ng vibe sa labas. So, tikman yung wasabi nila kung totoong wasabi.
Then, tuna.
Yung sarap ng wasabi.
Totoo? Sarap.
Hindi siya masakit sa ilong.
Do it again. Wow. Katsu curry. Katsu.
Ang sarap na pagkakatimpla.
Nutella Victoria slice, pistachio slice. Oh, chocolate mint. Let's try the cheesecake.
So it's a polished baked cheesecake na may 100 years old recipe pa from Monarch Cakes. Yan.
Ang sarap. Ang creamy.
Mahal ka.
Oo nga. Ang sarap niya. Creamy, tsaka
Yung pagka-lemon. Kaya, kailangan
lemon eh. May konting asim. May lasang lemon, no?
Kailangan pa nilagay ng lemon para mag-curdle yung cheese. Pero hindi overpowering. Medyo dense siya. Hindi siya yung mga katulad ng New York cheesecake na malambot yung cheese niya.
Dapating na yung order namin. Yung sa akin, flat white. Ayan. Saka
And
naman,
ice latte.
Ice latte.
Masarap nga. Masarap talaga yung kape dito sa Melbourne. Yun nga, katulad na pinag-uusapan natin kanina, na ang Melbourne ang coffee culture capital of the world dahil nga doon sa nangyari noong after World War II. Ang daming mga Italian immigrants tsaka mga Greek immigrants na pumunta dito and shared their coffee knowledge sa Australia. Even before that, nung mga Victorian era pa, 1830s, dito na halos nagkakape or maganda na talaga yung coffee culture ng mga hari, ng mga reyna or ng mga monarchs dito sa Australia. So talagang even before, masarap talaga yung kape dito. And during the 90s, yung mga bohemian, yung mga artists, yung mga free thinkers, na sinasabi nila, ay dito na sa Melbourne halos nagkakape.
I'm not into coffee, pero grabe yung coffee talaga dito. Masarap.
And did you know na ang McCafe ay sa Melbourne na conceptualize at nilaunch noong 1993. So, yung paborito nating McCafe, dito pala sa Melbourne nagsimula. Kaya talaga namang booming yung coffee industry nila dito sa Melbourne.
Kaya yung mga mahilig mag-coffee dyan, punta kayo dito ng Melbourne.
Meron pa tayong isang dessert. This is from Lebon naman. Ito yung pistachio slice.
Pistachio slice. Yan siya.
Ang daming selections ng cakes, ng pastries, ng iba-ibang goodies, snacks dito.
Ito yung pistachio slice.
pistachio cake. Let's try. Ba't lagi ako natagilid?
First time ako nakatikim ng polished na cheesecake.
Ako rin. Parang for me, mas matamis siya sa akin.
Kumusta?
Matamis. Matamis yung pistachio cake.
After the dessert, balak namin pumunta sa Luna Park. This is somewhat 5 minutes, 10 minutes away, walking distance na papuntang Luna Park. Try natin pumasok. Maybe we can try at least one ride. Tingnan natin kung ano magagawa natin doon. Okay guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa may Luna Park, Melbourne. So, this Luna Park is the oldest existing and operating Luna Park in Australia and the most preserved Luna Park in the whole world. Ginawa ito noong 1912 and until now, nag-ooperate pa rin siya at siya pa rin ang may pinakamagandang Luna Park sa buong mundo. One of the main attractions sa Luna Park is the Great Scenic Railway. This is the oldest wooden roller coasters in the whole world. Sa kaliwa ng Luna Park, nandito naman yung Palais Theatre. So this is the largest seated theater in the whole Australia. Meron siyang 2,888 seats.
Okay, naglalakad na kami papuntang St. Kilda Pier kasi yung Luna Park sarado siya, unfortunately. Dito na kami sa St. Kilda Beach.
Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets. Yesterday has gone to sleep.
Welcome to Hosier Lane. During the 19th century, isa itong garment district. But during the 1900s, ginawa na siyang parang art district. And now, parang na siyang Freedom Wall, wherein may mga graffitis, may mga legal vandalizations na ginagawa yung mga artists to commemorate some of the art cultures here in Melbourne.
Quiet voices in the night. Time is running out of sight.
Nauhaw kami kaya umorder ako ng coco honey dew. Ang sarap.
For our dinner, we're here at Betty's Burger. Nakita na namin itong Betty's Burger sa Sydney pa lang and we didn't have a chance to try it. So, di pa namin try ngayon sa Melbourne dahil katabi lang ng hotel namin.
Egg.
Good morning! So it's our last day here in Melbourne and it's so cold right now. It's 11 degrees. Kaya ito, suot ko ngayon.
Suot ko yung damit ko. Ako naman galaw ako ng galaw kasi sobrang lamig. Kasi naka-shorts ako actually. So we're here now at Melbourne Convention and Exhibition Center. But hindi ito yung pupuntahan namin. Actually, we're here for the DFO South Wharf. DFO means Direct Factory Outlet. So it's shopping time muna kami ngayon dahil nga it's our last full day.
Yes.
Free time naman kami ngayon. Wala naman kami masyadong gagawin. Siguro after nito, kung may mabibili kami or kung wala kami mabibili, we'll try to check the State Library kasi hindi pa namin napupuntahan yun. Kung may oras pa siguro kami later. So lakad-lakad muna tayo.
Let's go. Shopping time.
Sapatos sa Converse, alam mo namang napaka-super fan ko ng Converse eh. Sakit eh.
Ganda?
Mas presko siya. Hindi siya mainit sa likod. Kasi sa Kathmandu, mainit sa likod.
Okay. One down. May free milk tea ata dito.
Free milk tea.
Snack time!
Iya!
Naked burritos! Mukhang may mapupudol na po tayo ng kanyang paboritong polo Ralph Lauren.
Go down!
Hello guys, dito tayo ngayon sa State Library of Victoria. Now, this is the oldest public library here in Australia. And by 2023, ito ang pangatlong pinaka-busiest library in the whole world. Okay guys, makikita nyo dito yung world's first writing na ito yan siya sa isang clay tablet which is dated 3400 BCE. So this is a Sumerian language. Yung pagkakasulat is in language of Sumerian at nakita sa southern Mesopotamia which is ayun yung modern day Iraq. So, ganyan nakaliit yung first book or first writing, world's first writing.
Pork dumpling. Yung favorite niyang siopaw. Congee. Yung
Thank you.
yung century egg nila dito, may laman na for carrying na. Century egg congee. And yung fried bread.
Ating bicho-bicho.
Bito na napakasarap. Sasawsa natin.
Pinag-uusapan namin ni Lovely na congee make us happy. Yan. Iba kasi yung feeling na nagko-congee ka. Talagang masarap sa tiyan, mainit sa tiyan, tsaka nakakamiss. Kasi sa tinitira namin sa Port Hedland, meron namang may Asian restaurant pero walang congee. So tsaka hindi naman talaga authentic. So here sa Chinatown, dito namin makakain yung namimiss talaga namin yan. Siomai, siopaw, tsaka congee. So yan, that's it. Kain muna tayo.
Ito yung viral na ice cream, mango something. Chinese nga malagay. Paano ba ito bubuksan? Ito ba siya kinakain?
Para hindi...
Look.
How was it?
Ang harap niya.
White rabbit na ice cream. Subukan natin. Dahil siyempre, alam mo naman si Tito Lennon,
Favorite mo yan?
gustong gusto ng white rabbit.
Anong lasa?
Lasang white rabbit na malamig.
Hmm?
Sarap na.
Ito pa rin sa akin.
Nice.
Up.
1 out of 5 siguro 3.5.
3.5. Hindi pa rin.
Milk siya eh. Pero
Parang
at least hindi siya ganun katamis kasi yung White Rabbit di ba masyado matamis. Ito nasa vanilla flavor, milk vanilla something. Up na. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat sa pagsama sa amin sa aming bakasyon dito sa Melbourne at sa aming first ever Disney cruise.
See you next time.
See you next adventure. Bye-bye.
많이 필요해 시끄럽기만 해 I just wanna lay here